In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in your iCloud account from your computer or Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to use any browser. I'm going to click Safari browser, but it's fine if we are using other browser. Then we have to type iCloud.com in the address bar. Once we type iCloud.com, then we'll be in this type of page. Here you will find a big button, sign in button. Just click over there and very shortly it will bring the sign in panel. So here at first you need to type the email address or phone number of your iCloud account or Apple account. So I'm going to type my email address for my Apple iCloud account. So this is my iCloud account, FewSteps MacBook at iCloud.com. And once I type it there, then we have to press the return key or enter key of our keyboard, and then you can click here to go to the next step to type the password. So here it is giving me two options: sign in with password, sign in with passkey. I have password, so I'm going to click here to sign in, and here we just need to type the password for my Apple iCloud account. To finish typing the password, then we have to hit enter key or return key, or we can click here to log in our Apple account. And if everything is fine, then we'll find this top message: your Apple account is being used to sign in to a new device. Your Apple account is being used to sign on the web, and some map will be there. So we have to press this button. There is two buttons. One is don't allow and allow. We have to press this allow button to sign in. So I'm going to press the allow button, and very shortly we'll get this type of code. So we need to type the enter code so that we can log in. So I'm going to type the enter code, which is 103 then 090, and if the code is correct, then we'll find this thing. We can close this thing. Now it is asking trust this browser, and there is three button: not now, don't trust, trust. This is my local device, so I'm going to use this button trust so that I can log in. And very shortly we'll see the iCloud account is there, and this is my mail, this is my photos, and this is my iCloud drive. And that's it. In this way we can easily log in or sign in our iCloud account from website.